Baby, it's the Locs for me. It's the Locs for me. Do you see them out there locking freely? Stiff will.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Sabrina, just Sabrina. I'm going to show you how I got all these curls into this short crochet bob look. Alright, so I'm starting off with freshly washed and conditioned hair, and I also apply argan oil to my hair and got my hair cornrowed because as y'all know, y'all girl can't cornrow. She can't do nothing with hair to save her life. All I know how to do is wash and go and maintain healthy hair. But anyway, so my hair is cornrowed in this pattern to give off the illusion of individuals. I'm using Expressions straight Bahama locks in 18 inches. However, the inches do not matter to me because I'm planning to cut this hair, as you already know. Now I want to point out, when Nikki was doing my left side, she would put the crochet needle in downwards, and that will make the crochet hair lay and not have that hump in the beginning, so it makes it lay down. So with whatever side you're working on, you want to make sure you put the needle either downwards, or if you're on the opposite side, put it upwards, just to keep your hair laying flat and not to have that hump starting in the beginning of the crochet. So yes, now I'm just all anxious and nervous about the look, but we're going in first and just cutting all the ends of the hair to get rid of all that wavy loose hair. And then once we get rid of all of that, we're going to go back in and continue to cut to get the desired length that I want. I also want to point out that with this hair, there is 30 strands in each pack, and I only used about 4 to 5 packs. You can use more, but since my hair was already like bulky a little in the back and already like so thick, I didn't want my hair to be so like bulky looking, so I didn't use a lot of hair. I wanted to keep the look nice and sleek, so I only used 4 to 5 packs. So here we're just looking at everything and going in to fill any areas where it may be sparse. As you can see on the side right there, the area was sparse, but we were just going in, looking at everything and getting everything together, getting me right. This look was totally new to me, different, but I really like it. It's something for the moment, something short, something cute, something sweet. So whenever you want to do a protective style, why not crochet? Thank you for watching. Please thumbs up, comment, and subscribe.